see that you both agree. What's the reason for this spat?
You like to say things this way, and you like to say things that.
What a shame, it all means the same. There's no need to make a scene.
There are lots of ways to say the very same thing if you know what I mean. So, you say little and I say itsy.
I say tiny and you say bitsy. Little, tiny,
Itsy, bitsy,
let's call the whole thing small. You say enormous and I say tremendous.
I say humongous and you say stupendous. Enormous, humongous.
Tremendous, stupendous, let's call the whole thing big.
A ball can be a circle or a globe or other sphere. They're all ways of saying what I'm holding here.
So if I say fantastic while you say terrific,
Then I'd say fantastic, to me sounds terrific.
or we see how we agree